You will find all the prices, you will see the name of the profile. In this video, we'll give you the best place where you can buy and sell Instagram shoutouts. What is an Instagram shoutout? It's when you see a big page, for example, an influencer, a page, a brand, someone that posts some type of content that is not their own product, but it's a product, a service, a picture from another page, from another business. For example, as you can see here on the screen, it's a great example of shoutout, where the influencer is promoting another page on Instagram by posting their picture and send the people of the main page to the second page just by simply telling them that they have great content, they have great products. You can find interesting stuff inside that page. And this is pretty much influencer marketing. And the action to post someone else's picture into your page in order to do a promotion, it's called shoutout. And you can see that there is a ton of people that sell and buy shoutouts because Instagram is a marketing platform, and in order to grow you need that other people, bigger pages, suggest your content to their audience. So their audience will bring more people to your profile, to your page, but make sure to do it with a target audience, because if you have a baseball page and you post an ad, a shoutout on a dog page, it makes no sense and probably you will have a little few results. But if you have a soccer page and then you go on a big, really big page around soccer and there they will post your picture, you will get a ton more followers, a ton more engagement, a ton more likes, and it's something valuable. But in this video I want to give you how to choose the best shoutout, what are the rates and where you can buy it, because sometimes it's not safe. Maybe you send the money to the other person and from there the other person will never post and you will be scammed. Or maybe they ask too much, you don't have idea how much is a post on a page with 15,000 followers, or maybe one with 300,000. You don't know maybe the prices. So in this website, in this software that I will give you in the next seconds, you will find all the prices, you will see the name of the profile, you will see the niche, you will see all the information about the person behind the page, you will see the demographic. This is amazing. You can see the demographic and the information from that page. For example, if the page for dogs it's followed just by women between 30 and 52 years, you will know it. So you will know your target audience and they are more likely to convert. And I have tried myself this website. It's for sure the best way where you can buy and sell shoutouts. I have bought and I have sold shoutouts in that page. Everything safe, everything clear, everything is tracked. I have a receipt once I make the payment and everything always went well. I am not paid to say this, but I just want to say it because I want that you have a really great marketing strategy for your profile. So the website is this one, it's called shoutcart.com. You can find the link in the description. You just click it and then you go there and you will find a ton of people, a ton of pages that just offer shoutouts, offer collaboration around Instagram. And there you can see all the prices, all the information, and the best part is that you can do a little combo, a little package. For example, if one shoutout costs $50, 3 shoutouts, it does not cost 150, but maybe 120. And from there you will save money, you will spend less, you will have the same results, and you can start a collaboration. And from there you just need to choose the best Instagram profile, but don't just look at the price, because a big mistake that a lot of people are doing is that they watch just at the price. Okay, this is 20,000 and it's $3. This is 100,000 and it's maybe $1. The numbers are not real. But if you see, okay, I go to the 100,000, but maybe that is not the target audience, that is not a healthy page. Always check the page on Instagram. If you find out a page that you are very likely to promote on that page, go on Instagram and analyze that page in order that you see that there is organic people, it's not some fake followers, there is no bot, there is no scam. So once you do that, you will be 100% sure that your Instagram shoutout will go well. So you send the picture, you tell them when post it, for example on Tuesday between 9 p.m. and 11 p.m. and then you will see that there are different prices, for example just for 1 hour, for 1 day, forever, with the link in bio, maybe with the swipe up. You will have hundreds of options in order to show your promotion through Shoutout. And this is incredible even if you have a business, because you can promote your product, your service on that platform without DMing hundreds of influencers. Then you can grow faster your page, because if you have right now a page on Instagram and you want to grow, you ask Shoutout and you buy Shoutout from other bigger pages and they will promote your page. But the main goal here is to become an influencer. Become a page that says Shoutout on that page. For example, if you have a page that is around 500,000 followers, you can easily sell a Shoutout for $100. You can do one a day, it's already $3,000 a month just by posting a simple picture for free. It doesn't cost you a lot of time, it doesn't cost you money, and you will make a lot of money by doing that. You can do this with 10 pages, just make the math, $30,000 just in order to post 10 pictures a day on 10 different accounts. It's an incredible potential of making money. But in order to have a great social media setup, you need to have your Instagram linked with your Facebook. So you are not wasting time posting on Instagram and on Facebook, but you post once on Instagram and then it will go even on Facebook. And I've made this video right here where I show you exactly how. I see you there.